Okay. You guys wanted... Okay, what the heck is that? Who the heck is the person in the car? You guys have been wanting me to apply pressure. Thank you.
Good luck out there.
Now this contains, like in our other video of pressure, this also contains jump scares. Never gonna change. Okay, get that. And it's got flashing lights. So if you don't like those, then don't watch the video. Skip
Stand
one.
back from the hatch.
I did get the badge for that. Oh, wow, it was a carry. Okay.
Let's set one thing straight. I am not your little buddy, alright?
Then who the heck was that? Is that Sebastian or something? I think it was. There's a card. I'm not using that. Okay, let's get nothing in the roar. What's that? Okay. It's very uncomfortable. Okay. Wait for something. Told my dad not to come in. Not to come in. Now of course he's gonna forget. Oh wait, other things. Oh, I didn't check those. You got that? Come on, I'll grab it. This isn't like doors, so whatever you want me to do to play doors next, I'm not going to use a voice. Because this is different from doors. The drawers. Why is there a big water area here? I know that because I saw bubbles. I see bubbles right here. Let's go down here. Okay, how did a walker fall up? Come on. Oh, wait. What is that screaming? Don't look at him. So, we're underwater right now. So why is the game called pressure? Is it from the water pressure or something? Okay, I need a key card. I can just use this. Come on. I'll just use this. Go scrunch. Go here. I've never played this before, so I am not just going to do one gameplay of this. I am going to do multiplayers too. all multiplayers. On door. So I have no idea. Yes, I'm trying not to burn down as many places as possible because my dad got mad at me for burning down the pizza place. Please.
What was it this time?
That scared me so bad. Looks like I died from Pinky? Okay, hold on. Okay. Who the heck is Pinky?
That one seemed a bit
it's
different than normal.
It's something else from a
Wonder what's up with that.
different game. Dang, that scared me so bad. Yeah, I'm going back to lobby.
Bye.
And I'm going to play a two-player multiplayer, and then 3, then 4, then 8. Hopefully I don't be by myself again. I'm just gonna keep jumping. And I'm playing on my dad's phone. No! I don't want to be solo again. Are you kidding me? Not solo. Oh wait. Oh wait, I have enough for a flashlight? Oh, a flashlight. Let's get away. Let's do that.
Access to the console is limited to authorized personnel only.
Yes.
Please, submarine has arrived. Please stand at a minimum of 5 steps away from the hatch until it is fully opened.
Come on.
Honestly, at the rate you're going, you're gonna need it.
Why do I feel like it just got darker? Oh yeah, I forgot the keypad. What the heck is that? Okay, come on. She's gonna make... So, also put in the comments who you want to play Pressure next. Go have some options. Or, well, Luna the Furry might add in a post up. You should play Pressure next. But please don't vote for Bluted. He is mean for no reason. Please don't vote for him. She's gonna change the option. Go tell her, ask her to change the option. I'm gonna ask her to change the option. And tell her. Also, she did tell me that there were medkits in the game. It's kind of like for sick. Found it. Come on. Guess I have to go through the tunnel. Okay, I just saw the white figures. Go on. comment if you want me to play the Doors Floor 2. Oh jeez. Okay. Oh wait, I think Luna the Furry has already got some badges. I'm not reading that thing. Even though you guys might want me to, I am not reading that. Don't know how to read. I know how to read numbers, but not letters. Why is it lagging? Just go in here. So what is that giant tube? And I just ran into a wall. Okay. I need a key card. Oh wait, it's right here. Come on. That was the easiest key card ever. Why is it so dark?
Then straight.
Straight. Which way is right? Which way is right? Okay, I think it's this way. I think it is. Dude, what the heck was that? Okay, I just lost half of my health. More over half. Jeez. Okay, I guess I have to go in water. What the heck is on my face? So this area is flooded. How did it get flooded? Oh! Hide! I've played doors before. Okay. Go to the next door. Go to the next door. Okay, I need a flashlight. Here, I think. Okay. Come on, hide. So, it's my flashlight. I just really want one of those shaking flashlights that you have to shake and to get it light up more. I just really want one of those. Okay, come on. Yeah, don't mind that rain. It's just one of the speakers my dad has. Dang, I need a flashlight. It's so dark in here. Oh, yes, Finn. was a vent. Finally, we're out of that room. Who are you? Think someone's in there. Oh! Do the lights just flicker on? Am I seeing things? Nope, the lights flickered. Jeez, it's so dark in here. I need a key card. Are you kidding me? Oh, it's right here. It's right here. Okay, let's use the key card. Come on. There we go. Oh, jeez! What the heck was that? Now I'm at 5 health. Okay, I really need a medkit. Just give me a medkit! Might have passed one night now. Come on. What was that? What was that? Code breacher. You're a code breacher. But I need a medkit! Just give me a medkit. Just give me a medkit! Oh my god. Just give me a medkit. Oh jeez. Let me through. I need a medkit. Right now. Just give me one. What is it? What is that? What the heck is it? What the heck is that? Hide. I died. Dang it.
I'm very impressed.
What? Oh, how many doors did I get to? Internal defense system. Oh. That's what it is.
I'm sure good old Painter is very thankful for you volunteering as target practice.
I'm open 34 doors. I'm not playing again. I'm going back to lobby.
Goodbye.
Come on. One more round, and then we'll do 8. One more round, and this one will be 8 people. Hopefully. Nope, not 4. Not 4. Wait, you can have 50 players? Dang, that's a lot of players. Okay, let's do 50. Come on. Oh. Okay, never mind. Let's just do 8. Come on. Just join. Please. Join me. Come on, just join. Why is my username that? Okay, what the heck? No, solo again! Are you kidding me? Solo again! Why? Why solo again? Okay, we have enough for that. Okay. But I do know what happens if I...
Warning. You are not authorized to use this console. Continued interactions will deem you a liability. Please step back.
No, I'm not going to step back.
It would seem as if you do not have the cognitive function required to do your tasks. Please stand by for execution.
Jeez, why are you laughing? Okay, I was not expecting that at all. Okay, we're doing another round because I did that on purpose.
Goodbye.
Jeez, and I knew no one was gonna join me. Okay, and I have none. Okay,
All personnel on board. Please prepare to exit the submarine.
Stay in line and do as you're told. Proceed when ready.
Yeah, it does. Okay. Oh wait, there's item markers. Don't think I've seen this area before. Must be new. Come on, give me the key card. Come on. Okay. Yeah, keep quiet. Come on. I'm not gonna do any drawers or lockers until I'm at a key card room. Come on. Wait. Wrong room. Lights haven't flickered yet. Why is it so dark? What the heck happened here? I think the light just flickered. Oh wait, they're flickering because they're powering off. Looks like this area got completely destroyed. How the heck did it happen? Drawer. Come on. What the heck is a black light? Oh, that's what it is. Wonder when I'll need it. Oh wait, that's passcode. Did not know that. Go on. I did it. Okay, come on. Come on. What the heck happened here? Oh!
You really suck at this, huh?
Okay.
I'm very impressed.
Well, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos. Bye!